Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing, and this is from Hush. And if you guys don't know what Hush is, it is a website where they sell a lot of dupe products. They are affordable palettes and sets, and they are dupe for some of the most high-end of products out there. Just a disclaimer, guys, they did send this to me as part of a review and my initial reaction, so I haven't really opened anything. Just because they sent this to me doesn't mean that they're gonna get a raving review. It all depends on what the product is and what they have in here. Alright, so before we jump right to it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos, which sometimes I do 2 times and 3 times a week. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell right next to it because you don't want to miss these awesome videos. Alright guys, I do have the list of the products that they sent me. They sent me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. So they sent me 7 products in here, and I do have the pricing. I will let you know what the prices are as I open them. So let's jump right into the first one, and this one is the Bad Habit ATHENA. It has 18 eyeshadows in here. So this is what it looks like. And let me just open this for you. We're gonna go ahead and swatch these. Alright, so this is cruelty free. It has 12-month shelf life in it. This is made in PRC, which is also called People's Republic of China. So this is what it looks like. So the packaging is actually really awesome, guys. So I am pretty impressed with this. This is ATHENA. It's $12. So this is what it looks like. And when you open it, oh, it's giving me that Huda Beauty vibe, guys. So I do have the Huda Beauty somewhere because that's what I have been using, and that's one of my favorite palettes. This is a dupe for this palette right here, and this one is like 65 bucks or something like that online. And that's what the original palette looks like. And this is the dupe. So you can see, do you see that? Do you see that? So as you can see, the colors are arranged differently, but the color scheme is basically the same. So that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna go swatch some of this. These are really good. The payoff is amazing so far. And I'm just, finger swatching some of these, and I'm just gonna show you. These are actually really, really cool. The only thing that I see here is this glitter called Daring. This one, you see that right there? It's just basically glitter. But this is what it looks like. It looks so cool. Alright, moving on to the next one. This one is Aphrodite. This is what it looks like. It's basically the same packaging as ATHENA, and this has 18 eyeshadows in it. And we're gonna go open this. It looks really cool. And honestly, they don't feel like flimsy or anything like that. This is also $12, but this is what it looks like. Again, another Huda Beauty. It looks like it's the original one, and yeah, I mean, like, it looks just like the original one. I mean, they do feel really awesome. Look at that. Look at that pigmentation. And I didn't really go hard in any of these palettes, and oh my goodness, like, they just look awesome. See that? Like, the pigmentation is awesome on these. I don't know how they blend, but they look awesome just like swatching. Alright, so the next one that I'm going to unpack here are these 2 palettes, the Amazonian and Sahara palette, and they are a bundle for $20. So this is what they look like. Their packaging, guys, is absolutely beautiful. So this is what it looks like. Again, they don't look flimsy or anything. They don't feel flimsy at all. So this is what it looks like. And I think this is a Kylie Jenner palette dupe. Look how cool that is. The payoff is awesome, guys. This is really, really good, and it's really impressive. I'm impressed, guys. Alright, so let me move on to the Sahara. This is what the Sahara looks like. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. It looks so cool. And this is more of your warm tone shades. So this is what it looks like. Again, like, I don't have any problem with any of these finger swatching. Like, they feel really awesome, and So now I'm moving on to Retro Love. This is what it is, and this one is Retro Love. This one is $10. And let's see what this looks like inside. That's what it looks like. And this one is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I can't remember what it is, but it's one of the ones that people hated because it didn't blend so well. And I have that too. I just don't remember. So this is what it looks like. Look at that gold color. It looks so pretty. And this color right here, this yellowish neon shade. So pretty, guys. The only thing that I see here that's not gonna have that much payoff is this color right here. I feel like that's gonna be harder to blend. So that's what it looks like. All right, so I'm moving on to the Unicorn Glow, and this is from Face Candy. So let's go ahead and open this and see what's inside. This one is $12. This is like amazing stuff, guys. So this is what it looks like. So it looks really awesome. This is what it looks like inside. So awesome. Like, it looks so much better in person. These are amazing. They have amazing pigmentation in them. They do feel really high end. They have great payoff. So they don't feel chalky or anything like that. Alright, so I think I'm on the last palette here, and this one is the Mermaid Glow palette. This is what it looks like, and let's see, I'm excited. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So pretty. And this one is also $12. This one is more of your cool tone highlighting shade. So that's what it looks like. And let me go ahead and swatchy these for you. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. That's all I'm gonna say. Wow. Yes. Look at this. Look how amazing that glows. And you don't need a lot. That's just one swipe. You don't need a lot. Alright guys, so here's my initial thoughts. I am blown away by the pigmentation on these palettes. They are absolutely wonderful, and I just feel like for the price of these palettes, they are amazing. I don't know how they're doing it. I don't know how they're making money off of these, but the pigmentation on these are really wonderful, and I know not a lot of people can purchase high-end products, so these are alternatives for those, and you can get the same look, and it just looks really nice. And when it's on your face, you're not gonna be able to tell if it's actually the original or not. So I mean, like, if you are a student, or if you are somebody that can't afford it, definitely try Hush. And there's other things in their website that you can definitely purchase, not just like dupe palettes. There's tons and tons of things in there, so definitely check it out. I will put the link down in the description box. Alright guys, this is my unboxing video. Please comment down in the comment section and let me know if you are getting these palettes or not, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!